Welcome back to the Daily Drives, where we explore the future of engineering, innovation, and the machines that move the world. If you're passionate about trucks, heavy-duty performance, and next-generation diesel power, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the all-new PACCAR MX-20 engine, the 2026 edition, a power plant that's redefining efficiency, reliability, and technology in the commercial trucking world. PACCAR has built its reputation on engineering excellence, and the MX series has long been the backbone of that legacy. The 2026 MX-20 is not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward in how diesel engines are designed and integrated into the modern freight landscape. With strict emissions regulations and rising demands for better fuel economy and uptime, PACCAR has responded with a solution that balances raw power and intelligent design. At its core, the MX-20 continues to be a 12.9-liter inline-six diesel engine, but don't let the familiar displacement fool you. The 2026 version introduces a re-engineered turbocharging system, improved combustion architecture, and lightweight materials that cut overall engine weight by over 50 pounds compared to the previous model. That means more payload capacity, better fuel efficiency, and less strain on the drivetrain in terms of performance. The MX-20 delivers up to 525 horsepower and an impressive 1,950 pounds-ft of torque at low RPMs, making it ideal for both regional hauls and long-distance freight. But power is only part of the story. PACCAR has introduced advanced fuel injection technology with ultra-precise timing that helps reduce fuel consumption by up to 4% compared to the 2023 version. When multiplied over thousands of highway miles, that's serious savings for fleet owners and operators alike. Another major highlight is the integration of PACCAR's newest generation engine control module. This ECU is faster, smarter, and now supports over-the-air updates. That means your engine can be diagnosed and upgraded remotely without needing to pull into a shop. Downtime becomes less frequent, and preventive maintenance becomes more accurate. It's a game changer for logistics efficiency and fleet management. PACCAR has also made a major push towards sustainability. The MX-20 meets the latest EPA and CARB emission standards, and its advanced after-treatment system features a smaller, more efficient SCR unit that reduces NOx emissions even further. With cleaner combustion, less soot, and better temperature control, this engine is future-proofed against even stricter regulations in the coming years. Cooling has been another key area of improvement. The new MX-20 comes with a redesigned high-efficiency cooling system that adapts dynamically to driving conditions. Whether climbing steep grades with a full load or idling in city traffic, the engine maintains optimal temperature to protect internal components and reduce wear. That translates into longer engine life and more consistent performance in every environment. And when it comes to serviceability, PACCAR has listened to technicians and made key adjustments. The MX-20's components are now more modular, allowing easier access for maintenance and part replacement. Filters, belts, and sensors have been repositioned for quick reach, which reduces labor time and cost during routine servicing. Another impressive innovation is the PACCAR Predictive Cruise Control integration. Paired with the MX-20, this system uses GPS data and terrain maps to adjust power delivery in advance, optimizing fuel usage on hills, slopes, and long highway stretches. The engine and transmission now work more harmoniously, responding intuitively to road conditions. It's not just smarter, it's smoother and safer too. Inside the cab, the driver experience is also enhanced. The MX-20 is noticeably quieter than its predecessor thanks to better acoustic engineering and advanced mounting systems that reduce engine vibration. Less noise means less fatigue, which is a critical factor in long-haul safety and productivity. It's clear that PACCAR isn't just trying to compete in the diesel engine market, they're trying to lead it. The 2026 MX-20 shows how the company is embracing innovation without sacrificing the reliability it's known for. From the increased fuel efficiency and smart diagnostics to the robust performance and reduced environmental footprint, This engine represents the next evolution of commercial transport technology. As the logistics industry continues to demand cleaner, smarter, and more dependable power solutions, the PACCAR MX-20 stands ready to deliver. Whether you're a fleet manager looking to upgrade, a technician interested in next-gen engine architecture, or just a fan of diesel power, this engine deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the PACCAR MX-2026 engine, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. We've got more content coming on the newest trucks, engines, EVs, and innovations changing the world of transport and mobility. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the new MX-20? Until next time, keep it running smooth and powerful.